What's up, friends and family? Let's take a look at the market. Market up or down? The market was way up today, almost 3%. Looks like, wow, more than I thought. Um, but for big picture, we'll do that and get that out of the way. Then we'll get to our dessert. It was a very big day for us. I'm very excited to share this with you. You can see for the week, inside day pretty much. Nothing really happened. It was the end of the month. You can see we put a little pin bar in. And if you go to the really big picture, the 12 month for the year, the market's down 4.63%. Now, when you compare it to all of the cash we pulled out of a $2,600 account since first of the year, freaking killing it. So we're about exactly that on the upside. So we've got about 8%, 9% alpha against the stock market doing a simple 10 minutes a day. And we're going to continue to do that. So hopefully you appreciate that. If you do, leave me a like. Don't leave me out. And let's get into the trading plan. As we go to the broker, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. So something we missed yesterday because the computer crashed, we're going to take out these buy orders that did not fill. And then we'll get into all the stuff that sold. If you take a look at how much cash we have in the account, you'll know that today was a very big day for the public account. American Eagle. Delito. And we will tidy everything up. Jen. And rest easy and let whatever the market does do its thing. And lastly, Brown. And you can see the P&L is up. We're in profits to sell it. So the fact that buy orders didn't fill isn't always a negative thing. People always think negative because, I don't know, I've done some research. A lot of people think it has to do with your parents and your upbringing, but when you're a child, you get told no a lot, right? So people, as they get into adulthood, they don't like being told no. So there's that part of it. But when your buy order doesn't fill, it can be okay. It can be opportunity, right? Especially when you're mostly all in the markets. And now we're a good chunk of the market back in cash, $823.90. The market was up today. I'm not going to buy anything, but we were going to put these sell orders in and go through what actually sold today. So let's go ahead and take care of this first. Why not? It doesn't matter which order, but whatever you do, do it the same way every time so that you don't have a mishap. Got 9 shares here, so I'm adding this up, divided by 9, taking that number times 1.01. Pause the video, do that math for yourself. And I'm going to rip this out. We had a huge day. Something to think about that is really on my mind lately is that it's only 1,000 thousands that make $1 million. And my goal right now is $20 million. We made several $1,000s today. So when you say the word million, it seems so far away sometimes, but maybe it's closer than what I think. Maybe. 3 shares here, add them up, divide by 3 times 1.01. And I've always set goals that are too small, which I think is common. I think a lot of people do it because they don't think, number one, they don't want to fail. If you set a goal that's crazy high and you don't hit it, you're going to feel like you failed. But there's an old saying I learned from my professor in college, and he said, if you aim for the ground, you're going to hit it every time. And that's correct, So it took me a lot of years to be okay with maybe it doesn't work out, right? But that's where the growth is for sure. And now, as we went through the first round of retirement, using this strategy I'm showing you here on a little bit bigger level, but with the same humble beginnings. Now I'm able to really look towards growth. And it's very fun and exciting. Yeah, this is hugely in profits. Hopefully this holds up until 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I believe that's when this broker does its thing. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful. I'm still going to put the price in as if I'm looking for 1%, but likely we will get more. And that's the beauty of a limit order. And that's why I don't do any partial shares in this account. I think partial shares are horrible for trading, but for investing or whatever, it's not a big deal. All right, so as we go through, we had one buy order fill, GLPI, 43.95. Check. We had a sell, SLGN. I've got the total here on the mobile, so I'm just going to do that. 77.64. Sorry, my Listexia hit in there. We had Disney at 286.08. This is a little sloppier, but it's actually more exact. It tells you about how much you got per share, but when your orders get bigger, we're not big yet, but when your orders get larger, not every share will sell for the same price because it will take multiple buyers to fill your sell order. CMC, what we're looking at, 18. And I'm going to put an O in there because I'm pretty bright. You don't have to be smart to make money in the markets. Reynolds, 42.22. It's been a long night at work. I just got off work, slugging this thing out for me and for you. That's what we got for today, and you can see that's going to drive our month up. This is the last day of the month, so whatever we got is what we got. Even though, as we saw, a lot of that stuff is going to sell bright and early in the morning, but that is a new month. And if you can sell stuff on the first day of the month, it is, to me, a huge stress relief because there's always pressure to repeat the success of the previous month, right? All right, so here we got 331. Let's see how we did here. Oh, baby, $14.79. As we update our month here, takes us to a grand total $93.43. Here in a week or so, we'll be getting the statements, doing that, and looking towards adding this dividend in here. We're starting to get some bigger dividends as the account grows. Our goal here for the total cash and trading is $1,050, and I'll move 25 into investing. We'll go over that in the statement video for the public investing account. That will be a lot less time now. Let's see what we got here. I think we're good, but if you look at the P&L open over here, this one's already at profits, ready to sell. GLPI and UPS is like 4% up. So we're killing it. Alpha, alpha, alpha. And as all these sell, we'll be up over 2,800, which will be a new all-time high for this account. So even with me rambling, still under 10 minutes. Awesome day. Going to do a victory lap. Enjoy your small wins if you can. And if you have extra time, check out the playlist. If there's market volatility that comes in, you'll have wished you had known more. And you'll be able to take more of an advantage about the volatility and what the market gives you, because there's only so much you can do with the stock market. You can only really take what it gives you, but once you understand how money moves and the stock market works, beating the market becomes very easy, and then it becomes more about your personality, your risk tolerance, what do you feel comfortable with, those kinds of things. But if you look at the thing here, as you go back to price, we're at the exact same price we were at in August of last year. And while the market has done nothing, we've pulled money out every month and put it into investing. So we're building long-term wealth through active income, which is trading and working, and building passive income. And that's what you retire on, in my humble opinion. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you what to buy or sell or do. I don't know you, can't give you advice. I'm not licensed, but there are licensed people. If you want to seek their advice, do that. You can lose a lot of money, even with those people. I had interesting interactions with them. But for a little bit of information of what I'm doing as a normal factory worker, this is possible for average people if you have a trading plan and the conviction and courage to stick with it. So, big picture, we're killing it. So thanks for investing in yourself. Thanks for investing in me. If you would, leave me a like on the way out. Make sure you subscribe and share this with anybody who asks you for money. Easter is coming. There's a weird thing about a rebirth. So if you're at Easter dinner and people are wanting to do better in life, it's only 10 minutes a day away, $10 a week. I hope it helps. I really do. Have an awesome day. We're going to catch you in the next one. Today, we won.